The AI revolution has brought about many tools designed to enhance productivity and transform work. We'll highlight the top AI tools in the audio and video design, content, and image and content cleanup categories. These are audio and video AI tools. 1. VoiceBen AI https://voiceben.ai, an AI tool that converts audio content into blog posts, making it easier for businesses and individuals to generate written content from recorded conversations and lectures. 2. Crisp https://crisp.ai, an AI tool that removes background voices, noises, and echoes from calls, allowing users to conduct clear, professional audio conversations from any location. 3. Beethoven https://www.beethoven.ai, an AI tool that creates custom royalty-free music, enabling businesses and individuals to add unique, original music to their projects without the hassle of licensing. 4. Clean Voice https://cleanvoice.ai, an AI tool that automatically edits podcast episodes, making it easier for podcasters to create high-quality, professional-sounding content. 5. Podcastle https://podcastle.ai, an AI tool for studio-quality recording from your computer, providing users with an easy-to-use, high-quality recording solution for podcasts, webinars, and other audio content. Best for design AI tools. 1. Flair https://flair.ai, an AI tool for designing branded content, allowing businesses and individuals to create professional-looking graphics and design elements easily. 2. Illustroke https://illustroke.com/, an AI tool for creating vector images from text prompts, making it easier for designers to create custom graphics and images for their projects. 3. Patterned https://www.patterned.ai, an AI tool for generating patterns for design, allowing businesses and individuals to add unique, eye-catching patterns to their projects without the hassle of creating them from scratch. 4. Stocking https://stocking.ai, an AI tool for generating the perfect stock photo, making it easier for businesses and individuals to find and use high-quality stock images in their projects. Best for copy and content AI tools. 1. Copy.ai, AI tool for generating copy that increases conversions. With its advanced AI algorithms, it can write sales pages, blog posts, ads, and more in minutes. https://www.copy.ai/2. CopyMonkey, AI tool for creating Amazon listings in seconds. It offers a suite of tools to automate your Amazon business, from keyword research to copywriting. http://copymonkey.ai/free. Akoya, AI tool for creating and scheduling social media content. It helps you plan and publish your social media posts effortlessly, so you can focus on what really matters, engaging with your audience. https://www.akoya.com/. 4. Unbounce Smart Copy, AI tool for writing high-performing cold emails at scale. It helps you write emails that get opened, clicked, and replied to, so you can focus on closing deals. https://unbounce.com/. Best for image and content cleanup AI tools. 1. Civite. Civite is a hub for AI art generation. It's where artists, engineers, and data scientists can share and explore models, tutorials, and resources to take AI art to the next level. https://civite.com. 2. Cleanup, AI tool for removing objects, defects, people, or text from pictures. It offers a simple yet powerful solution for photo editors, photographers, and marketers who want to save time and effort when cleaning up their images. hets//cleanup/pictures/free. Inkfall, AI tool for content generation, optimization, and performance. It offers a suite of tools that help you write high-quality content faster, optimize your content for search engines, and measure its performance so that you can make data-driven decisions. https://inkfall.com/. AI tools have revolutionized various industries, including marketing, design, and content creation. These tools are capable of reducing the time and effort required to create high-quality content while also improving its performance. Whether you're looking to generate copy that converts, schedule social media content, build a knowledge base, or clean up images, an AI tool can help you. The above-mentioned tools are just a few examples of the many AI solutions available to meet your specific needs. As AI technology continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, we can expect to see even more innovative and useful tools emerge in the near future. Whether you're a marketer, designer, or content creator, these tools are definitely worth considering for your next project. Any suggestions for AI tools to add to this list? I'd love to hear what you say in the comment.